You're being so good. Wait. Aw. It's hard for me to give you treats while I'm doing it. Alright. Come on. Come here. Good boy. 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 Whoop. Good boy. Oops, sorry. Okay. Hey, come. What a good boy. It's okay. I know it's uncomfortable. What a good boy, Graham.
Good girl. Oh, you good puppy. It's hard to do with that ankle, Chloe. It's hard to do with this ankle. Good girl. Did you put in it? Good go puppy. Good Lola. Why do your nails grow so fast, puppy? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good Lola. Good puppy.
But I did try it on my own personal dog and have had pretty good results. Grab him. I'll show you his little feet. So it dremelled really quickly. I mean, it didn't need a whole bunch of power or speed because the head of the Dremel is just really high quality. I mean, it did a great job on his nails. Look how short they are. He's had his nails done his whole life. So he's always been a pretty good boy about it. But another thing I saw in the reviews that I just wanted to mention is, you know, people were saying they couldn't fit their dog's nail into the guard. I would recommend only using this for smaller dogs. Like even my dachshund's nails were almost too big for it. But you can actually twist this and take it off. So if you have a large dog, you can take that cap off and use it without the cap. You just have to be careful if you have a dog with a longer coat because hair can wrap around Dremels. So make sure you're pushing that hair back if you do have a larger dog. But these kind of Dremel tips are great. And I am really impressed with this thing. I can't wait to try it at work and everyday use to see how well the battery life holds up. But I will update my review with that when I know.
Howdy, I'm Travis. This is Boo. I'm here to give my brief review of the Casfuy, I can't pronounce it, dog nail grinder. I can't use a nail clipper on Boodog here. She never, ever has liked it. She freaked out. It was a whole ordeal. That's why I went for the grinder to begin with. Excuse me, she's shedding right now. As huskies do, and it's a mess. Anyways, the grinder, you know, I used to not care or not pay attention to her nails, which is not good dog ownership. I do now. I do this every week, actually, every Saturday. It's pretty simple. There's a little switch. You can buy more heads for it, which you will have to, because it does wear it down. I don't think that's a complaint. It's going to happen either way. You know, I do it every 6 months. Anyways, it works. Now, she has a fear of it. I brought her to stores where they try to trim her nails and they can't do it. She just freaks out. This, I put some peanut butter on a plate, and then I let her, exactly lay down like this, and I trim her nails, or grind them, and it works. It's been working for about a year now, so I'm a fan. It's the only thing that's ever worked for her, really, without her spazzing out. So I really do recommend it. It's the only option that I have, grinding your nails. It works out. So I got 5 stars, great product. I had no complaints.
So I just got the nail grinder in today, and first of all, it came pre-charged, which was awesome. And what really surprised me was just how quiet it is. I mean, as far as nail grinders goes, probably the most quiet one I've seen yet. And it's also really light and maneuverable. There's no cord to get in the way there, which I think is really nice. And the bit right there, it's nice and open, so you can kind of twist it to get just the angle that you want. It's just, I mean, it's just really easy to maneuver. And Warrior here hates having his nails messed with. And, I mean, if he'll let you, you know it's a good product. Good boy. Good job. And just like that, I mean, it's so easy. It does get a little bit dusty just because, you know, the nail dust going everywhere. But it's so easy to kind of angle back and forth and get the nice smooth end that you want. And so yeah, I mean, especially for the price, it was just such a great product. I was so pleasantly surprised.
Okay, so I wanted to give you the opportunity to hear how loud this is, or more particular, how quiet it is. So this is the device that I ordered online, and it charges by using the USB. So you take the lid off. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it's got 2 speeds. The first one is the slow speed. So that's the sound of the slow. And that's the fast. The vibration is really low, and the sound is not anything bad at all. You can see Loki, like I did his nails yesterday, and he's not even running from this. If you pick up a pair of nail clippers and show it to him, he runs across the house. So, like, this is huge. I did every single one of his nails yesterday. So, anyway, I will talk to you later. Bye.
This is Maisie, and we rescued her a year ago, and she was always very nervous of me doing her nails. You want to sniff that? We just finished, but there she goes. We just finished doing her nails, but there she goes. But during it, she laid down on the floor, and I just kept encouraging her. It's got 2 speeds, but I always use high speed just to get it done quicker. But it's super easy, pretty light, and that's it. You just plug it in to recharge it, and it works great. Right, Maisie? Maisie, you survived another one. Yay, good girl, honey. Yeah, did you get a treat after we did your nails? Oh, honey, have a terrific day. God bless.
The Casfuy electric top nail sealer is a game changer. Safe, quiet, and stress-free for my dog. It's perfect for keeping your pup snake small and healthy. My dog never more is stressed. I love this. The charges.
I just did the writing review. I just took the cap off to make it simple. I did say in my review that it does need to be charged, but like, I don't know if you can hear it. It has 2 speeds. It's still fairly usable, even if. And I tried to take this off, found out it's a twist, pop off, pull this junk off. Simple, easy, breezy beautiful. And it still has some grip to it. So, yeah, 3 years, still functions.
Wendy. She wants to bite it. No, you can't bite it. Anyway, this is a product. It's very easy to hold. It has a nice little guard. You see, you can remove it if you have a bigger dog. This is a terrier that I have, and she's just not having it. Every time I even try to get close. No! No. Okay, we gotta end this video before she eats it.
Boy, just a couple more.
Good boy.
You're such a good boy. Yeah.
Push his foot against his body, and then just hold each toe. I'm using the small part. There's a big part, and the whole thing comes off if you got a really big dog, but
really long dew claws, and then we'll just smooth them out, grind the whole thing down. But this one was so long I had to trim it first. Hi, puppy. And that way she doesn't have a dew claw that goes all the way around, which would be bad. There we go. Nice and smooth. Good job. Good job, puppy. There you go.
Ray. Hey. You fell asleep while I was doing your nails. You goofy girl. Yeah? You want me to finish? Give me paw? You give me both paws. I love you.
That's low. That's high. Very, very quiet. No issues at all with the dogs accepting it. Perfect.
Thank you. It's okay, honey. Thank you. The other one? Thanks. Good job.
Good girl. Good girl.
Great answer.
Thank you for not being a pain in
I
the
think it's
ass.
either that or it was on my mom's influence.
She like that noise.
Excited to meet her?
I'm excited to meet both your parents.
Good. They're really important to me. I want it to go well.
Now you're making me nervous.
Kept you up long enough. I'll call you back tomorrow and we'll pick up where we left off, okay?